Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the new bundles on Roblox for free. So first of all, go to Marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and go to in Shorts and choose recently created. Now you have to go to in category and choose head from head. Now you will see this new head is called Scramble 3x3 puzzle cube. Just grab it as soon as possible because the similar puzzle cube is is for the 30 Robux. So if you want, you just have a few minutes to grab it. Just grab it as soon as possible. So it depends on the it depends on the developer how much time he wants this item to be free. So just click on get buy and click on get now, and this item will be in your inventory. So now to use it, let's go into in avatar. Just click on avatar. Now, as you can see, that's how it looks, and it covers your head completely. And now, yeah, if you want a Korblox look, you can you can search for this bundle. And guys, this is also a free one right now, but it may be on sale anytime soon. So you have to search for mini virus in marketplace, and now click on this mini virus and this equip this item as soon as possible. We are going to use some of the parts of uh, this bundle. Now you have to go to avatar again. Go to avatar. Now you have to go to head and body and go to right leg. Now you have to choose mini virus right leg. Fine. So once you choose it, click on it